Minuteverse reveals a relic from the dawn of time, the cosmic microwave background, a faint glow filling the entire sky. Scientists map tiny temperature ripples in this ancient light, reading a blueprint of the universe just after the Big Bang. Those ripples hint at density differences that seeded galaxies and offer clues about dark matter and the shape of space. The visuals show photons decoupling from matter as the universe cools, starting a journey across an expanding cosmos. Join Minuteverse to chase more cosmic echoes and uncover the origin stories etched in starlight.